principal of Arul Anandar College, Karamathur, Madurai. I am really happy to be part of HP Employability Skills Training Program, which is a CSR activity of HP company. It was made possible because of our ICT Academy of Tamil Nadu. I am really grateful to ICT Academy to make use of Arul Anandar College to train our youngsters. Through this HP Employability Skill Training Program, we have trained 60 students for cloud practitioner and another 60 students for digital marketing, which is a very prestigious certificate course, and our students are really happy because this will encourage them to go and attend more courses on employability skills. I am really grateful to HP company and also ICT Academy of Tamil Nadu. Thank you.
Good morning to all. I am Manoj Pravaran, the Head Department of Computer Science and Applications, Arul Anandar College. I am really happy about the ICT Academy for collaboration with Arul Anandar College, since they have given a lot of programs for the students. For example, they have given AWS Cloud Partitioner Programming, which is initiated by HP. Our students are really benefited by the understanding the knowledge of getting the knowledge of cloud, and also the gaming, how to develop a game. The course is of 100 hours. The first 20 hours is about soft skill. Students get a good trainers to improve their soft skill, and they are enjoyed the session. Next 80 hours have been given by the trainer.
Yeah, okay guys. Today's topic is Amazon S3. Amazon S3 is a storage service. It's used for store the objects in data like files, metadata and unique keys. It's mainly used for store the objects like in servers, like in corporates we have a servers like a large amount of data centers maintained by IT support teams. That's used for the storaging of data that controlled by service team. Service teams are storing the data like object values. It's like key features like it's scalable and durability and availability also available. And then it's used for mainly storage of classes like in case you based on the cost, performance, that kind of ways you using that one. Okay, wow.
Good morning, I'm Ivasri from Department of Computer Science and Application from Arul Anandar College, and I attended the course AWS course to develop my AWS and soft skill and game designing, and it is very useful to develop my knowledge. And then soft skill 2 hours 20 hours soft skill, it is very useful to communicate our skill. And I'm just thank for my trainer too much to trained my session very patiently, and at last I thank my head of the department to finding the course as free. Thank you.
Good morning. I am Kishore Kumar from Arul Anandar College. I have participated in the ICT's AWS course. First of all, I need to thanks for the one who arranged this opportunity, especially my HOD, and we had a wonderful mentor who supported us to complete this course successfully. For this 80 hours, we have enjoyed learning, and we have the most practical knowledges, and it's the one of the best opportunity. I hope we will have this opportunity further. Thank you.
Good morning, I'm Harini from Arul Anandar College, Department of Computer Science. I attend this course to develop my soft skill on AWS Cloud Computing Architecture and for game designing. First of all, I thank this organization for giving us this wonderful opportunity. It is very useful. The hands-on lab practice were very useful for us, and I thank the trainer for being more patient. Thank you.
I'm Thomas Daniel, studying in Arul Anandar College, Department BCA third year. The course was very informative. AWS course and soft skills was very informative for every students. And special thanks for Bala sir and for the HODs. It was very informative, and we have gained more knowledge in 60 hours class.
Good morning to everyone. I am Anna Baby from Arul Anandar College, Department of Information Technology. I attend this course AWS. It is very helpful for my skill development and cloud architecture. It is very helpful for my career growth. Thank you.
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆஃப் ஆல் குட் மார்னிங் டு ஆல். இந்த கோர்ஸ் வந்து ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்துச்சு. ஏடபிள்யூஎஸ்ஸாக இருக்கட்டும், அப்புறம் ஐசிடியில் வந்து நாங்கள் ஏடபிள்யூஎஸ் அமேசானில் பண்ண வெப்சைட் க்ரியேஷன் இந்த மாதிரி இருக்கட்டும். அப்புறம் ரெண்டாவது வந்து ரெஸ்யூம் க்ரியேஷன் வந்து ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்துச்சு எங்களுக்கு. இந்த கம்பெனிக்கு போய்ட்டு ரெஸ்யூம் சப்மிட் பண்ணுறதுக்கும் ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்துச்சு. அப்புறம் வந்து சார் கொடுத்த இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன் எல்லாமே நாங்கள் ஃபாலோ பண்ணோம். எல்லாருமே வந்து அபோவ் 80% தான் வச்சுருக்காங்க சர்டிஃபிகேட். ஓகே.